And good morning. It's currently 9:45 morning for us. But I'll just vlog my day for you to see how it is. And walk into the car. Sheesh. Gonna go to a sneaker event that my uncle's having. And we're gonna go put gas for this one. Y'all know gas prices in California are really high. Oh, no good. Yeah, putting gas. Next stop, it will be my uncle's shop. Yeah, we just got here to the location. How shawty?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll let you know what they have inside. Yeah, so we're gonna go grab some food real quick because my uncle's just setting up. But we'll come back. Well, change of plans, huh?
Yeah,
We're at a car meet that we see like down the street. But it's pretty good amount of cars.
pretty good. Nice cars.
A lot of nice cars. That purple's hard. Shit is pretty fucking clean. Oh, yeah, this one's nice as fuck. That's hard. VIP inside too? That's nice. I actually like this. Baby on board. Just clean. So we got Johnny and Joseph, part of my team. Never seen one of these, but they're clean. Pretty clean.
Alright, we are back at my house. We're getting the jack. Taking across the street. Fix his car. Go to our friend's Dom. Get a part for the car for the bags. And then we'll get this car back on the road. Look at that.
I can make them actually just left.
Hey, Ken. Oh, watch out, because I got to run.
I'm an exercise too.
Watch out, I got to run.
Hurry!
You heard me, I got to run. My sunglasses on, I'm white.
Good, try it.
Hey, stop moving. Go to the store and get Ben and Jerry's ice cream. Ben and Jerry's? Nah, we don't need it. We don't need more sugars.
You don't need more sugar.
Let's go get a fucking watermelon. For real? Shit sounds so good right now. Cut that shit in half.
Did you get a cold water too? Or do you want one?
No, it's cool. I got this one. Thank you, though.
I'll see you guys later.
Later.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
So we found the issue. My actual nipple part from the valve to my bag like came off. It kind of exploded. So it's giving no pressure to the bag to go up. But one of our other homies, he has bags too, and hopefully he has the same part. If not, yeah, order one.
His name's Dom. He can't come out right now because his girl, his wife, won't let him. But we're gonna go either hop in my car or the Momobile. These roochies don't want to go in my car because they're embarrassed. Look at this faggy. Oh, my mom's home. Back inside, old man. Back inside, old man. See? They didn't get a new fridge because it's not in the truck.
That's what I'm about to say. Yeah, you have like a little.
It's hot. But we're gonna go to his house in a bit and pick up that nipple part so we can replace it and then get the bags to work. That way he can air up and drive. We got the part, we fixed it. Nice and tight. It's not leaking.
Not a noise?
Uh-uh.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing's leaking.
Let's do one straight.
We fixed it, or we didn't fix it. He fixed it. I kind of decided to look.
So we got a lesson, or I learned a lesson today. Yeah. When you get a kit, like if you're gonna do your own air suspension, you get a kit. These plastic ones are no good. They're gonna give up over time. They're gonna keep stripping. Once it pops one time, it's gonna keep popping every other time. So it's better to go with what is it called?
The brass one, right?
Yeah, the brass.
It's a brass hardline. So instead of going with the plastic hardline for the bags, you go with the hard brass line. So it's like more sturdy and just lasts longer.
Yeah, well. Turns out we went to another meet for the day.
Say hi to our vlog. What's up?
Giannis, look at Giannis.
Again.
Giannis again?
Again.
And what you want to say to the vlog, bro?
What you want to say to our vlog?
We out here fucking Claremont.
Then I come around.
To Hector?
They say you're a superstar now, damn. I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's my love. Family, making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this one's
There, out, boys. Sério? I want to see what he does. Look. Aw. What's your point? I like this one. Oh, it's I forgot this is his name. Yeah, it is.
You made my phone lag.
Huh?
You made my phone lag.
Die or lag?
Lag. Because it's going on all my apps.
Restart it.
No, I turned it off. Because it's
Supra. Huh? For reals? Javi. Javi.
Hobby.
Hey, Giannis. Javi. Look. Ted.
Lower the key.
I like this one. It's on True Hearts also? Oh, here's Bully.
Bruno, it's my birthday.
Adi. These are car physics. He's gonna air out. This one's hard. Give me that Mustang. Nice. Wow, who you getting? Paulie! See you later, bro. There it is.
Line him up, baby.
That's really right.
This reminds me of the
I didn't even see that shit.
Come on, do it!
Light him up, baby. Come on.
Light him up, light him up!
What's up, burn now?
The food?
Hey, burn now, dog. Come on, fool. One time. Burn now. All right, fool. Come on, dude.
There it is. Ah!
Hey, dog. Burn now.
There you go. Oh shit.
There you go.
There goes Yanni.
Do command things. Oh, we got the pinky watch right here. You burn now, dog.
Come on, do it! Ah! Come on!
Do that shit, homie.
That's spinning!
Swing that motherfucker, swing it. Let me do it.
Oh, my bad.
Hey, hold that shit. Hey, hold it,
Hey, stop holding it, hold it! Ah!
Hey, burn out, dog. Burn out. Burn out.
To every car.
Where's Giannis? Where'd Giannis go? Oh, he's there. And you're supposed to have with us, huh?
This is our home right here. This is our home. I live in Riverside. Burn out, burn out, burn out, burn out. Oh, yeah! Woo! You can go. Nah, burn out, dog. Burn out. He's gonna do it. Nah, he's gonna do it. Nah, he's gonna do it. Burn out. He's gonna do it. Burn out. Burn out.
I really want to buy one of these. These are clean.
Burn out, burn out, burn out. Burn out. Burn out, burn out, come on. Who is this I know right here? Look at this guy. I'm not. Because you're tripping. Try to single my boy out. Yeah, try to single me out. What the fuck? I got a camera? Get out of here with that shit.
No, you're fine. I'm sorry.
Why not? That's all. She one of the kids. She's trying to take me home. She said go home like she knows my hometown. Don't host it, can't get mad. He's like, that's the last time you can have this. It's not so
What, a Tesla? Yeah, Toy Story truck?
It won't burn out.
Which one?
Pixar Planet, Toy Story. I didn't see it though.
Shit, I'll get in my car and I'll do that shit right now.
Huh,
I'll light this bitch up right now.
seriously.
You hear me on it? I said, I'll light this bitch up myself. That looks clean.
Lame as hell because of me. Who is this I know? Because of me, because I got a camera?
So when I took a picture. Your guys' cars, yeah?
Oh yeah, your guys' cars. They're asking you guys to move because they're gonna close it. Yeah, that's what she said. Look,
Should we go?
just bring them out here, park in front of me.
Yeah, just
I'm right here on the side.
We'll come right now.
Yeah. Huh?
What are we gonna do?
Just bring your car over here. We can still watch it. Remember when I saw you?
Yeah, well, yeah, nice.
There you go. See? Look at Chris, look at Chris.
Is that
That was clean.
He's going on the other side.
That was funny.
He said that's crazy.
Look at Chris, look at Chris.